Okay, today we want to introduce you to our Saber Ultimate Recovery Kit. It's a kit that's designed to get you out of trouble, whether or not it's winching or kinetic recovery or whatever else the great outdoors throw at you. Now, we're going to talk you through the kit. Firstly, we've got an Australian-made ultimate gear bag made by our friends at Kelmat in Victoria. It's a ripstop PVC. It's a fantastic bag. It's a very durable bag. It's a bag that will last long into the future. Now, in terms of our kit, every one of our ultimate recovery kits come with core ingredients. We've got our kinetic ropes. Now, whether or not it's the 8K kit or the 12K kit will mean you'll vary between which kinetic rope you'll get and which matching soft shackles. You'll also get our very popular utility rope. This is obviously a rope that will give you multiple different uses, whether or not it's a short winch extension, a tree trunk protector, or can be used as a bridle. You'll also get our very popular recovery ring. You'll get our 20-meter winch extension rope. You'll get a pair of gloves. You'll get the winch dampener. You'll also get our SAPs, our soft anchor points. In the end, these recovery kits are designed to be used in any way that you find you need to get your vehicle recovered. As we said earlier, whether or not it's winching or kinetic recovery, this gear will get you home.